Onever Group is a contract manufacturer in a wide range of industries with technologies for metal, plastic, electronics and surface treatments. Onever Group supplies industry-leading companies with demanding product solutions from individual components to complex systems. Jotwire specializes in manufacturing demanding electronics, wire harnesses and electrical systems. Treston supplied a large and diverse range of industrial furniture, such as workbenches, chairs, trolleys and storage systems for Jotwire's new factory. Most of the products were ESD-protected models. In addition, Treston worked with Jotwire to design and manufacture an innovative, customized workbench solution with a tilt mechanism. Treston and Jotwire began working together on industrial furniture more than 20 years ago. The company needed its workstations delivered to the new factory at exactly the agreed time to avoid expensive production outages during the move. The deliveries were scheduled successfully, and the company was able to move its factory production with minimal outages. Treston impressed with its capacity to supply large quantities of furniture in a small delivery window. We chose Treston furniture because we have found it to be high quality, easily adjustable, and very long-lasting. Accessories were used to build workstations that effectively serve production. The furniture has significantly improved ergonomics, occupational health, and job satisfaction. The electrically adjustable workstations are easy to set at a height that suits the task and the person's physical attributes, thereby reducing the strain caused by the work. Workstations with tilt mechanisms reduce the need to reach for items. This solution has helped us reduce and prevent back problems and neck and shoulder pain among employees. A smooth, functional and safe working environment calls for appropriate industrial furniture.